Come on, you can do it. Come on, man. Come on, get that one. Get that one, baby. Come on.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is time for the Foundation to pick with the 15th overall selection. I, Jordan Gillis, am ready to make my selection. However, I do feel like I need to say a few things first. Everybody took the players I wanted to take, but that doesn't make me feel too bad. You know why? Because there's just no way you can stop me. And that's right. I have the heart of a champion. I plan on winning no matter what. And so with that, the first choice for the Foundation with the 15th overall pick in the first round, the Foundation selects outfielder Jesse Winker of the Cincinnati Reds. That's right. Jesse Winker. Projects to do pretty well. He's probably ready to contribute sooner than later, and that's what we're looking for. And with that, guess I'll leave you with a little bit more Nelly. You're never going to stop me. You can't stop me now. Fuck you, Bailey.